Hello guys, I welcome you guys to today's video. And of course I've been getting so many messages from my friends, my subscribers, asking me how they can make easy money trading boom and crash. Okay, so today I will be tagging it, make your first $100 trading boom and crash. Okay, if you are looking for an opportunity to make your first $100 trading these two assets, then you need to watch this video to the end because I will be well detailed with it. Okay, it's all about trying to do the analysis. We will be teaching you how to generate your signal, and of course we will do the analysis right before you, generate some signals right before you, and of course you're going to be able to do the same thing on your own after today's own. Okay, we've been doing these ones in a week, okay, and it has really been giving us positive results. And of course this is just another one we will be doing in this week. So if you're smart enough, then you should get into it right away. Okay, and if you're not joining us live and direct, okay, I will try as much as possible to post these on time so that you guys can get to see it on time and pick up some of the trading activities which we have analyzed in this video. And you can also learn from it. You just see the way I'm generating the signal so that you too can also do the same thing and make some good money for yourself right from here. Okay guys, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out the asset and see how we can make $100. Okay guys, like I always tell you, don't need to force yourself into the market if you are not having the right signal or a clear signal for you to go into it. Only wait for the clear signal. And there are 6 different assets to trade under these. Okay, we've got our indices 1000, 2 of it, 500, we've got 2 of that, also 300, we've got 2 of that also. Okay, so if one is not giving you a clear signal, another one will be giving you a clear signal. Just follow the one with a clear signal. Okay, these are the major things that we will be focusing on. The trend is the most important of all. Once we get the right trend, then we know what to do. We sell only on downtrend, buy only on uptrend. Okay, then of course we also take note of the support and resistance, because this will help us to know our double E, which is the entry point and the exit point. Okay, it's easier to sell from the resistance zone if there is no breakout above it, and it is easier to buy from the support zone, that is if there is no breakout below it. Okay, the lot size is also very, very important. Okay, your lot size will help you to keep the market, to be in charge of the markets. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so now let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking the charts one after the other. So let's go straight to the chart. Okay guys, in case you guys are having the 3M trend Milka trading 2, then I must say a big congratulations to you guys, because that is what I'll be using. Okay, and of course you're going to understand it better because of the trend the trend signal that it's going to give you. Okay, it makes it very, very easy for us to do. Okay guys, just the way we have seen it loud, this market is boom 1000, and of course we are on 5-minute time frame. It was on uptrend around here. So like I said, you don't sell on uptrend, you only buy on uptrend. And if you don't want to trade the spiky part, then you stay away from the market and wait for it to be on downtrend. So it got to this resistance zone, it was unable to break out above it, so it went back on uptrend. Okay, it went back on uptrend, it went back on downtrend, sorry. And of course right from here we got 2 sell signal right from here, and you can see it selling at the moment. Just broke out from this support zone, and of course it has gotten to this particular TP, and of course it broke out from that support zone. Okay, so right now it will be looking at somewhere here as the next TP. Once it breaks out from there, then definitely the next place we should be looking out for is somewhere here. Okay, so this should get to this region. Okay, if it breaks out from here, then definitely we should be looking out for this particular one. Okay, so these are the two major TP area that we can look into. Okay, the three major, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it has broken out from the first one, so I removed that. Okay, this analysis is coming a bit late because we would have milked the market right from here. Okay, but that is just for another day, so we might be experiencing a pullback around there, and of course it might want to try it out again and see if it will break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then here is the next TP we should be looking out for. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so let's check out the next asset, which is going to be Boom 500. This is Boom 500, still on 5-minute time frame, and just where we have seen it, this actually, it was on downtrend before, but right from here it went back on uptrend and got to this region, was unable to break out above it, so it came down again, so went back again, broke out above it, got to another resistance zone, still unable to break out above that, and it went down again, and this time around it's played around there for a while, and now it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it came down. You can see it coming down, so at the moment it will be buying more at the moment. So this will be buying more and may want to get to this region again to see if it will break out above this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it will start selling. But if it breaks out above it, then definitely the next one we should be looking out for is somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so that is it. So this should be buying more at the moment. Okay, so now let's check out crash 1000. So boom 500 is not giving us more opportunity to sell at the moment right now. Okay, so except if you want to buy. Okay, so this has been crashing right from this resistance zone, crashed down till it got to this region, pull back, and of course still crashed down again. This time around it has gone below this support zone and it has got into this region. If it's unable to break out below this, then definitely it will go back up. So if it's unable to break out below this support zone, then we are most likely to have a buy trend from here. But if it breaks out below it, then it will be looking, we will be looking at the next support zone, which you can see on H4 time frame. Okay, but if it's unable to break out below that support zone, then it will start going back up again. Then we should be looking at somewhere here as the next TP, and of course it's going to buy to that region. If it breaks out above that, then this is going to be the next place, okay, as the next TP, and of course if it now breaks out above that, then we should be looking at somewhere here. Okay, so and this will go on gradually until it gets to somewhere around here. Okay, so that is it. That is if it's unable to break out below this support zone, that is when it will start buying. Okay, so you can take note of all these TPs, okay, right from here. So the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, crash 500, let's check it out. Okay guys, this is crash 500. This has also been crashing right from this resistance, so you can see it going down and down, even though there are pullbacks in between, but it's more of downtrend than a buy trend. It has got into this support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then it should start buying. So if it should start buying, then definitely it needs to break out above this particular resistance zone first. So this might be the first TP it will be getting to, and it's almost there. And of course thereafter, once it breaks out above that, then definitely this should be the next one. Okay, this should be the next one, and of course if it should break out above that, then you should be considering somewhere around here. Okay, so that is very, very important. So you should consider somewhere around here, and if it should break out above this, then let's pick up one more TP. Okay, so that we will see how secure the platform is. Okay, let me see this, guys. Okay guys, this is another good TP for us. Okay, so that is it. So we should take note of all this, then we should wait for the right opportunity to jump into the market. Okay, if you understand everything which I have done right here, then you will be able to make some good profit for yourself at the end of the day. Okay, so remember, for crash 500, that is if it does not break out below this support zone, then it will keep on buying. The first TP will be smashed very soon, then thereafter it will get to the second TP if it breaks out below, above this. And once it smashed this, once it breaks out above this, then this is the next TP we should be looking out for. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, and of course here is another one which is going to be a very important one, but if it breaks out above that, then we should be looking at somewhere here. Okay, but this is a very important one. Okay, so if it's gets to this, it might want to have a major pullback around there, except if it comes back and break out above it, then we should be looking at somewhere here. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy our Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.